How to log in to KeyBank online banking account. Now in order to log in to your online banking account of KeyBank, just simply open any of your browser, then search for KeyBank. After that, the first link of key.com will appear, which is the official website for KeyBank. Under that, if you look closely, you will get to see the option of online and mobile banking. Select online and mobile banking, and after selecting that, you will be in the official website of KeyBank, where you will get to see the option of sign on from the very top right corner. Select sign on, and after that you will see the option of online banking. Select that, and now while I'm making this video, the online banking of KeyBank is under maintenance, so I cannot show you, but after the maintenance end, you will get to see a page where you can very easily enter your credentials such as username or ID which is associated with your KeyBank account, and enter your password. After that, then when you hit the login after entering your username and password, you will successfully be logged in to your KeyBank's online banking account. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.